is Sharanya. Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will be learning about CHEMINFORMATICS and the tools used. CHEMINFORMATICS is a field of science in which computer and information technology is used to store, retrieve, and analyze data of the chemical compound. The knowledge of CHEMINFORMATICS is helpful for medical chemists to better understand the complex structures of the chemical compounds. And it is also helpful for the researchers in the discovery of drugs using modern drug discovery techniques. Now let us know about the tools used in CHEMINFORMATICS along with some examples. This includes chemical drawing software. It is used for creating and editing chemical structures. Example, ChemDraw. Structure activity relationship databases. It contains the information about the relationship between chemical structures of the compounds and their pharmacological activity. Example, GoStar. Molecular modeling software. It is used to predict the 3D structure of molecules and for simulation studies. Example, GaussView and HyperChem. Spectroscopy software. It is used to predict the NMR spectra of molecules. Example, NMR Predict. Molecular docking software. It predicts the binding affinity between the molecules and their targets. Example, Autodock. CHEMINFORMATICS libraries. These provide a range of tools for working with chemical data. Example, RDKit. Chemical database management systems. These are used for organizing and storing chemical data. Example, Chemaxon's Marvin. Quantum chemistry software. This can be used to calculate the electronic structure and properties of the molecules. Example, Gaussian. Drug design software. It predicts the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic properties of drug candidates. Example, Schrodinger's Maestro. Chemometrics software. It can be used for analyzing and interpreting chemical data using statistical techniques. Example, Unscrambler. Toxicology software. It is used for predicting the toxicity of chemicals. Example, ToxTree. CHEMINFORMATICS workflow systems. It allows the building and automating CHEMINFORMATICS analysis. Example, K9. Virtual screening software. It is used for identification of potential drug candidates from large chemical libraries. Example, Glide. Graphical user interface libraries. These are used for building CHEMINFORMATICS applications with a graphical interface. Example, PyQt and Tkinter. Web-based CHEMINFORMATICS platforms. These provide access to the chemical data and other relevant tools over the internet. Example, ChemSpider. In this session, I have mentioned only some of the tools that are used in CHEMINFORMATICS, but there are many other tools available out there. I hope that this session was useful for you. We provide training in these fields. If you want to get trained in these fields, do contact us and subscribe